Polly the parrot was thrilled to receive an invitation from her friend, Benny the bunny, to join him for lunch at his burrow. She fluttered her colorful wings excitedly as she arrived at the cozy little home. "Welcome, Polly," Benny exclaimed, opening the door. "I've made your favorite dish, sunflower seed salad with fresh fruits." Polly's eyes sparkled. "Yum! It smells delicious in here." She hopped onto the table, and Benny served her a plate full of tasty treats. As they enjoyed their meal together, Polly couldn't help but chat about her favorite things: adventure, exploration, and, of course, flying. Benny listened attentively, nodding his head and making supportive noises. After lunch, Benny brought out a special surprise: a miniature trampoline. Polly squealed with delight as she bounced up and down, her wings flapping wildly. The afternoon flew by quickly, filled with laughter, games, and good company. As Polly prepared to leave, she thanked Benny for the wonderful lunch and fun times. "You're the best host ever, Benny. Can't wait for the next invite." Benny smiled, happy to have shared his special day with his feathered friend. "Anytime, Polly. You are always welcome." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.